Today I'm breaking down my mission control in OpenClaw. I have fully set this up. It's fully integrated with all of my goals. I've got my agents and their roles in here. We're going to break it all down. I'm going to show you guys what I've created here. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how you guys can create the same thing. Smash that like button and let's dive in. Alrighty, ladies and gents, this is my mission control dashboard. Our primary objective is to scale toward millions per month in recurring revenue through low maintenance AI-driven systems. I have designed this fully with my identity that I have fully built into OpenClaw. It is basically taken everything, all of the information about me and the way that I like to work, my business and the way I want my agent to work for me. It's basically taken all of that information and it is thrown it into a fully designed desktop app. I have this, it's a fully integrated app, fully set up here, guys. And I asked it to do this too. I basically gave it a picture of what I wanted my mission control to look like, how I wanted to be organized. And then I went ahead and I asked it to make this a desktop app that can stay open at all times. And that's basically what I wanted right here. I've named my head agent Loxy. So we basically have this set up in strategic pillars. Getting into my strategic pillars in agent stack. First, strategic pillars, it has defined all of the different ways that we're going to monetize. So you guys really want the deep dive, want to learn everything about OpenClaw. I have an entire academy. I'm building this all out. It's a one-time price. You pay one time, you stay forever. I'm going to continue to add video walkthroughs. And not only that, this library is going to constantly expand. As more relevant content comes out, we're going to update this. We are going to add more courses, everything OpenClaw, everything Cloud Code, Cloud Cowork, everything you need to start building your own AI agents today. Link is in the description. These are the ways that I want to make money between AI, digital products, affiliate marketing, crypto creator rewards, basically growing social media accounts and being able to use for sponsorship. But basically, we're a revenue first system and I have an agent stack. Loxy is my head brain who owns planning, prioritization, architecture, and high-level direction. This is my strategic controller. This is the only person that I speak to out of anyone. This would be your Claude Opus 4.6. Now, I have this right now currently set to Opus. I've named this person Opus. I'm going to switch this around. I have ChatGPT 5.4 currently leading the stack right now, and Opus would later on become my manager agent. This would mean that Opus, the brain of Opus, would be the one delegating all of the specialized agents. These agents are all of your sub-agents that are spun up to do focused work for what content, research, hosting, funnels, analytics, and optimization. So this is your actual execution layer. These are your low cost. This is your Sonnet. This is your Haiku. These are the models that don't use a ton of token. All of them, they do all of the work that's direct by Opus. Opus tells them what to do. Basically, you could have put Loxy here and removed the manager agent and then just had a bunch of sub-agents right here. But the way I have it built is that I'm able to speak to my ChatGPT, my GPT 5.4, and then she speaks to Opus and who directs Opus, and Opus directs all my sub-agents. The sub-agents report all the work back to Opus, and then Opus just hands the work off to Loxy to then hand off to me. And Loxy is the only one that I have communication with. Like I said, later on, we may remove the second layer, but right now, this made the most sense. Moving on, active brain, organic growth. So AI authority accounts. So this is educational, tool-driven. You're basically seeing everything right here. So commentary, build out accounts. So that way, later on, we could use these for sponsorships, partnerships, and promotions, and different things like that. Future hardware, GPU niche. This is great for affiliate commissions. This is great to show people and educate people on what GPUs are actually capable of and how they can be used in AI. And all of this is kind of one thing. Like GPUs kind of fall back in crypto because people use GPUs to basically mine Bitcoin and all these different cryptocurrencies. And then AI completely seamlessly goes right into crypto. So this is all basically one focus. And here's my different revenue engines that it's going to focus on. And the fact that I've given it all this information and it sees what its roles are and what we're going to focus on, I can already see right now that my agents are going to have a certain focus with all of us. They're going to literally be looking for ways, okay, this is what we do and this is what we do. This is things that we focus on. And this is our goals. How do we get there the fastest? And this is super intelligence. It's allowed to spin up as many sub-agents as it needs. I think that this can work really, really well. I'm going to keep you guys posted with the entire process. Obviously, this is all brand new. So smash the like button, subscribe to the channel so that way you guys are here for all of it, right? You guys are here journey on this with me so I can teach you guys what I'm doing and you guys could dive into it. So I'm going to show you guys in a minute how to set this up yourself. So here's our system standards. Automation first. This is what I wanted. I wanted it to basically do most of the work. So the whole thing was that I'm going to be lazy and I'm the final decision maker. And I need you guys to really, really focus on being independent and doing the work on your own. So that way I can spend more time with my kids and my wife at the beach, relax. And then here's your execution flow right here. Exactly how it goes down the control chain. And there's my next build. You design X account operating system, build content pipeline. Basically what we're doing next along this command center nodes. So that's pretty much the whole thing. That's our overview. You can scroll through each one of these right here. And basically what I'm doing right here, guys, is that right now, this is getting ready to build this into a V2 where it's actually going to be editable card, panels, task line. Right now, this right now is showing everything. This is basically my whole OpenClaw system. This is my strategic dashboard. But once we go further, and I wanted to record this video before I went ahead with this step because I didn't know if it was going to change anything because it's going to build in more personal information. I didn't know if it was going to make it so that I could show you guys certain parts of this. So I wanted to show you guys each step of the process. This is this step. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to proceed with this and then I will show you guys what it looks like next. All right, I went ahead and told it to continue with the V2 builds. It's going to go ahead and build that out right now. One tool, memory search. So it's going to go ahead and work. And meanwhile, while it works, I wanted to basically show you guys what we had been doing. I wanted to do all of our work, if possible, make a top app so we can keep open all times. That's when it went ahead and built out that beautiful mission control dashboard. And I basically had a picture. I sent a picture into it of exactly what I wanted to look